Hey there, foodies and word fans. Today we're combining two of life's greatest pleasures, learning English and talking about food. From savory snacks to sweet treats, we've got a delicious vocabulary menu lined up. So grab a plate, no forks needed for this one, and let's dig in.
Bread is a common baked food that's a staple in many diets. It's perfect for sandwiches, toast, or just munching on its own. I eat bread for breakfast, especially when it's fresh and fluffy. Fun fact, bread comes in so many shapes: bagels, baguettes, and even breadsticks for when you're feeling fancy. Rice is a small white or brown grain that's a superstar side dish. It's versatile and goes with just about everything. We had rice and chicken and it was delicious. Did you know there are over 40,000 types of rice? That's a lot of carbs to love. An apple is a round fruit that's both crunchy and sweet. I like red apples, especially the ones that make that perfect crisp sound when you bite into them. Remember, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, or at least makes your snack time healthier. Milk is a white liquid from cows that's full of calcium and great for your bones. I drink milk every morning, usually with cereal or cookies. Don't judge. Fun fact, milk also comes from almonds and oats now, proving cows aren't the only ones in the milk business. Water is a clear liquid that's essential for life and for staying hydrated. I need some water, especially after eating something spicy. Pro tip: always carry a water bottle because no one wants to be that thirsty person in a long meeting. Meat is the flesh of animals eaten as food, and it's a dinner table classic. We cooked some meat and it was juicy and delicious. Whether it's a steak, chicken wings, or a burger, meat is the star of many meals. Just don't forget the seasoning. Cheese is a solid dairy product that's basically happiness in food form. I like cheese on my pizza, especially when it's gooey and stretchy. From sharp cheddar to creamy brie, cheese knows how to steal the show on any dish. An egg is a round object from birds, used as food in countless ways. I can have an egg for breakfast, scrambled, sunny side up, or even in an omelette. Eggs are the superheroes of breakfast. They're versatile, tasty, and come with their own protective shell. Cake is a sweet baked food that's the life of every party. She made a caramel cake and it disappeared in record time. With frosting, layers, and extra caramel, cake is basically edible joy on a plate. Fish is an animal eaten as food, and it's a favorite for seafood lovers. We had fried fish, and it was crispy and delicious. Whether grilled, baked, or sushi style, fish is swimming its way onto plates around the world.
And that's our tasty trip through food vocabulary. Now you can impress your friends by describing breakfast, lunch, and dinner like a pro. Just remember, learning English is like baking a cake. It takes time, effort, and maybe a little frosting. Thanks for joining me, and keep those food puns rolling. See you next time.